So I'm getting ready to go long right now. I know we got news in a little bit, but I'm willing to take a one contract light risk long here. Kind of viewing this as turtle soup with this SMT. I might even just I'm considering just hopping in long right now, which I think I will. So I just hopped in one contract long, guys, on NQ for a long, expecting this to be turtle soup because of this SMT with ES. My bias is bullish to the upside here. So I'm kind of anticipating this to be inverse. So we'll see if I'm right or not. If not, all good. This is a light risk trade. If you don't agree with it or don't feel comfortable with it, you don't have to take it. It's only, let's see how many points this is actually. 19 points with one contract. So we'll see what we get here. Looking to just target this short-term high here. If you want to you could wait for this to get traded through as inverse if you want more confirmation on it. But I'm gonna take an attempt here with one. Buy side up here, I'm looking to target. We got these highs here engineered. This is the previous weekly high that I think we could go look to take out. Like I said, might be a little early on this because we're with news, but we'll see in 5 minutes. We've got over here on ES and Dow Jones this low being taken out, and that low has not been taken out on NQ, which created SMT, which is why I'm viewing it as potential turtle soup. Right here. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Definitely an aggressive entry. News in 5, guys. News in 5. Are you not afraid of the news? Nah, this is one contract. I told you guys I wanna build my muscle of taking soup, what I feel like could be a soup entry. So that's what I'm attempting to do, but I'm doing it with light risk, right? So I'm only risking 380, So yeah, obviously you never want to lose, but I want to give myself I want to start building these reps of identifying it, anticipating it, and then putting some risk on the table. I'm not doing this on like my funded accounts or anything right now, right? Use my evals for kind of the building the muscles, right? And then actually put risk on my fundeds when I'm confident and have high conviction in the fact that I can recognize and anticipate ahead of time and take these entries. I might, depending on where we're at, I might even go risk free with the news. That'd be nice. But I'm kind of hoping the news expands to the target. I don't need it. Definitely don't need it. Respecting the high end of this fair value gap right now. We could be offsides with timing a little bit. But as far as the soup entry goes, we got everything we would need to see. We got the soup of the internal lows. In my opinion, we've got the draw being the previous weekly high, most likely. And yeah, we created SMT with these lows with ES and Dow Jones, having taken these out. Still hanging close to the entry. You got 1 minute before the news release. All right, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go risk free. I'll see if it pops up here quick. I'll put my stop loss up here at my entry. I apologize, bro. Oh, woo. Well, here we go. News is here. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Turtle my soup. Soup my turtle. Humana. My turtle might get souped. Let's go get it. Come on. Alright. My turtle got souped, guys. So I think I'll do, I'm going to take one more attempt along here in the short term if we can break above this, if we can inverse this gap here. So I'm just going to get ready, guys. Stop loss. I'm going to go stop loss at these body lows. You can put it all the way here if you want, but odds are if it comes down here, we're probably getting run out anyway. I'll look for that. I'm going to get ready to put... Ooh. I might add to this. I'm going to start with one, though. I'm just going to enter when the candle closes. Bang. Oh, shit. I just put in a buy limit. Okay. I got triggered in just now on the buy limit. Just one contract for now. I'm going to look to add, though. I want to see us inverse this higher up gap. Risking again 390, I think. 395. Inverse the gap on NQ. Didn't obviously inverse it on ES yet. So a couple early quick entries here. Not looking good. Just created SMT here at the low. I might give this a little bit more room here quick. I just gave mine a little bit more room. A couple more points because that SMT that just formed. Now I'm risking probably like 400. 450. See if this will hold for us. Alright guys, I got stopped out. I'm down 0.5% on the day. At this point, it looks like we're just going to keep displacing lower. So I put a sell limit on, guys, in this 1 minute fair value gap to go lower. And that should also be equilibrium of this last leg down. Here's the bearish order block. Stops above that. Right now we're at equilibrium. Our entry is basically right at OTE. Let me know if you guys got triggered in. I did not. 636.75. Entries at 639.5. I might get left behind, guys. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really want to chase it though, because if I enter here, if I put my stop here, it could just come run me out, grab my entry, or I got to put my stop all the way up here, and I got a 40-point stop loss. So 2 bad options there. I don't want to do either one of them. So if I miss it, I miss it. Well, congratulations, Mark. Yeah, like I said, guys, the only thing I could have done differently is move my entry down to equilibrium. Otherwise, this was logical as well, in my opinion. But after it hit and it moved away, it would have been too much of a skew for risk to reward in my opinion. But I am tempted to long right now, to be honest. All right, I am gonna jump in long, just with one. Stop here. If it fails, it's because I was a little bit impatient with this, and I'm willing to sleep in that bed if I need to. But we're showing respect to everything bullish. Gonna run it up to, this would be 71, 89. I'm gonna try to hold it for here. Basically, I'm a little bit worried that this 5-minute candle could expand, and then like it actually inverses it way the hell up here, and then it gives us a terrible opportunities to try to long. So that's what I'm trying to avoid by jumping in here slightly early. So yeah, last trade of the morning for me. Getting close to that data high here. Like I said, I'm gonna try to hold it, but if I see like a reason to get out, I will. Just about to a 1 to 2 above this level as well. There we go. Just took that high there. Might go off of even the close of this candle, guys. Ooh, yeah. Keep going. 1 to 2. Yeah. 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 Go, baby, go. Oh, come on. Just hit. I'm going to get out, guys. We just hit -1 standard deviation, too. Just closed it. Bada bing, bada boom. Made like 1,300 on it. 70 points.